an illness. Bioresonance therapy was invented in Germany in 1977 by Franz Morel and his son-in-law, engineer Erich Rasch. Initially they marketed it as More Therapy, for Morel and Rasch. Some of the machines contain an electronic circuit measuring skin resistance, akin to the E-meter used by Scientology, which the bioresonance creators sought to improve. Franz Morel had links with Scientology. Practitioners claim to be able to detect variety of diseases and addictions. Some practitioners also claim they can treat diseases using this therapy without drugs, by stimulating a change of bioresonance in the cells, and reversing the change caused by the disease. The devices would need to be able to isolate and pinpoint pathogens' responses from the mixture of responses the device receives via the electrodes. Transmitting these transformed signals over the same electrodes is claimed by practitioners to generate healing signals that have the curative effect. One placebo-controlled study of the effects of bioresonance therapy showed that more bioresonance therapy can markedly improve non-organic gastrointestinal complaints. Lacking any scientific explanation of how bioresonance therapy might work, researchers have classified bioresonance therapy as pseudoscience. Some scientific studies did not show effects above that of the placebo effect. There are some studies with positive results, like the one shown at effectiveness. Webb states, there is no reliable scientific evidence that bioresonance is an accurate indicator of medical conditions or disease, or an effective treatment for any condition. Proven cases of online fraud have occurred, with a practitioner making false claims that he had the ability to cure cancer, and that his clients did not need to follow the chemotherapy or surgery recommended by medical doctors, which can be life-saving. Ben Goldacre ridiculed the BBC when it reported as fact clinics claimed that the treatment had the ability to stop 70% of clients smoking, a better result than any conventional therapy.
Being properly adjusted, gradually deploying apps and machine models so that the internal energy is developed. When practicing Tai Chi Qigong, pay attention to your breath. Breathe naturally. You practice with every movement, posture, and breath with the gaze forward. Your breath becomes a part of the fluidity and movement of your movements. When practicing Tai Chi or Qigong, besides the importance of energy and breath work, here's another when your head should feel as if suspended from above. Your body, Tai Chi movement, is a connection. Move is one. The importance of movement be overemphasized. Improve the smoothness of your motions, which will improve the consistency of your motions. Calm your mind in the breath.
And exhale, say
Breathe
no.
naturally, slowly, and
Inhale.
deeply, without holding your breath. Stay
And
curved like
exhale.
the river,
One
with
more
many
time.
winding paths
Inhale.
continually flowing. The heart and intent and
Exhale.
feeling are all
Bigil lang
connected
pahinga.
like a circle.
Normal lang paghinga. Kaya lang, normal lang sa ilong. Inhale.
What can it do for me? Modern science is catching up with the ancient art of Tai Chi. Tai Chi and Qigong are some of the most effective mind-body exercises. Studies show that Tai Chi and Qigong help most aspects of your health. Medical evidence and research show that Tai Chi can increase balance, improve sleep, promotes joint movement, reduces falls, increase brain function, pain relief, increase physical function,
And exhale.
increase vitality and energy, improve
Ako,
range of
inhale.
motion, lower blood pressure, decrease stress, and
Exhale.
increase
Pag
clarity.
malakas po, meaning mayroon pong may mataas ang uric acid po.
Tai Chi can
Opo.
enhance your physical body, keep your mind sharp and open, and elevate your spirit.
Bawal lang magsalita. Oh, tango lang pwede, tango. One more time, inhale. Mataas ang cholesterol. Ano?
So how can you get started?
Then
Find a
exhale.
school
One more
or
time,
teacher in
deep
your
breathing
area.
in.
Join a class. Find a school and instructor that you resonate with.
And
You can
exhale.
also find many instructional videos
Ano,
online.
malakas?
The
Tango lang.
important thing is
Inhale.
everyone starts at the beginning.
And
We want to
exhale.
thank you for going on this Tai Chi journey
Inhale.
with us and hope that it continues for you.
And
At the end
exhale.
of this video,
Okay,
you will see
relax
listed
naman po
websites
paghinga.
where you can find links to medical research, instructors, and additional videos, schools, and associations.
pakuha mo yung extension wire sa iyo.
It is known that nature is always in motion, and you are a part of nature. Therefore, to keep in motion means a healthier you. So be empowered to take charge and be an active part of your own healthy mind, body, and life.